Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Entertainment blogger Musa Khawula has been doing quite a few exposés and digging up on Mihlali Damase's alleged secrets, from being involved with married men to how she allegedly slept with brand managers to secure endorsements. He had written quite a few handful information about Mihlali Damase. The last straw to Mihlali was when Musa tweeted this about Mihlali: "Not y'all being left to use the Malakade app that nobody asked for baby girl to fly to bots for her nail. Jokes write themselves." And now Mihlali had enough of Musa Khawula's bullying and decided to respond to Musa, who is reported to have been facing murder charges of his boyfriend. Mihlali tweeted this, you guys: "You have a whole murder case to worry about. I don't think me having the luxury of flying a nail technician in and out of the country should be your concern, my baby." Musa Khawula is a notorious blogger who is popular for digging up celebrity scandals. Musa has gained a lot of followers the past weeks for his celebrity news reporting on Twitter, and it was reported that Musa Khawula killed his boyfriend Wayne in broad daylight a couple of weeks ago, you guys. Musa became furious at Mihlali Damase and wrote that Mihlali slept her way to the top, and that's how she managed to be selected for Forbes 30 under 30 gig, you guys. Now there you have it. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on any uploads from me. I'll see you on my next uploads. Thank you so much. Bye.